It's bizarre fear-mongering over Waqf. Samajwadi Party claims mass murders across India. Fears of Muslims justified, says the SP. Samajwadi Party says a dar in Muslims over Waqf. This fear is what the body says. The political party says conspiracy for communal flare-up. JPC chairperson said black band on Eid was a thought-out strategy.
बीजेपी का उद्देश्य सिर्फ ये रहा है कि किस तरह से इस देश में सद्भाव बिगड़े। ऐसा है, ये तो बिल आ रहा है, बिल नहीं आया उससे पहले प्रॉपर्टी नहीं छीनी जा रही। लोग प्रॉपर्टी छोड़िए, लोगों को जान से मारा जा रहा है, लोगों की हत्याएं की जा रही हैं, लोगों को पुलिस संरक्षण में मारा जा रहा है, तो प्रॉपर्टी छीनने का अगर उन्हें संदेह है, डर है तो सही है।
कल इबादत का दिन था, अलविदा की जुमा इबादत का दिन था, लेकिन ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड ने इस पवित्र रमजान के महीने को इबादत की जगह सियासत बना दिया। मैं कह रहा हूं, जब संसदीय कार्य मंत्री किरण रिजिजू जी कह रहे हैं लगातार कि हम वक्फ के बिल पे चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार हैं, विपक्ष से अपील कर रहे हैं कि वो भी सदन में आए और इस पे चर्चा करें, जो भी सवाल है उन सवालों का सरकार जवाब देगी। तो जब सरकार इतना तैयार है, सरकार की मंशा एक ट्रांसपेरेंट बिल लाने की है।
जब
I'm going straight across to Ashutosh for more details on that. Ashutosh, in fact, a bizarre sort of a statement coming in from Ram Gopal Yadav, their senior leader, talking about the fact that there are going to be murders. There's just so much fear. This, of course, is fear mongering.
That's what we see. The kind of Waqf showdown is being seen between the government and the opposition. So yesterday, Kiran Rijiju also addressed the press conference that how the opposition is actually spreading a myth all around the Waqf Amendment Bill to the people. That is also creating sense of panic and sense of fear in the Muslim community particularly. And then we also see kind of support that is coming from the Bishop Council in the south and Sufi Shrine Board at the head of the Ajmer Sharif Shrine, Sayyid Nasruddin Chishti in the west, of course, in Ajmer. Then exactly we see the counter and the comments coming from the opposition party who are in the loggerhead with the government as far as Waqf Amendment Bill is concerned. The showdown as it is likely to begin in the parliament tomorrow. Just before that, we have heard the statement coming from Ram Gopal Yadav on the day of Eid. Then today we hear the statement from Imran Masood, the taking on the government. So clearly what it seems like that since the government has a majority, its number, it may be able to successfully pass the bill in the parliament. But moreover, there's also need of a matter of concern that they see within the growing from the NDA alliance, be it Chirag Paswan or Nitish Kumar, that what stand they will take along with Chandrababu Naidu when it comes to when the bill is tabled in the parliament. Sneha.
Be with us. I'll just come back to you, in fact, in a moment from now.